Oh yeah, you know what's on. We're at Fredonia Dave's. He's got some of the best backyard ramps you'll ever ride. Always a good time, fun. No matter what you do over there, always end up getting hurt, it seems like. But Corey's shredding. He's got the best nose wheelies in the game, like I said. So good, technical tricks, and they'll keep you laughing the whole time. He's always having fun on his bike. He tried the gap of death. Super scary gap for anyone that airs to the right. You had to either alley-oop this quarter or air left, and Corey found out. He didn't have no speed, but he's a champ. Laughed it off. It was awesome. Dave builds all these ramps. Fun dude. Like I said, no stress. Loves the one-handed tabletop. Kills it on airs. Rides the vert ramp, but the vert was a little mushy. We didn't get to ride on it, but Dave was shredding the whole time. If you ever get a chance to go ride his place, make sure and do it. It's super fun. My favorite thing was his street spine that was perfect on the side. Trying to get some tech lines in there. We actually rode a lot more the day before, but we didn't film, which obviously happens all the time whenever I have a good session. Usually the camera's not out. But 6 foot spine, well, you know, you had to keep your nerves together, but super fun. Tons of variety on the ramp, so I enjoyed it. I love this air up to manual and then jump back, even though I was trying to pull back into the lip. I never got it, but super fun time. Fun to camp out there. And my shoes were falling apart, and that's why you'll see me stumbling around, trying not to step on my toe. My toe was smashed up, but happy I got this line. The wind was blowing my camera all around, so I had to zoom in, kind of weird. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure and follow along. We'll be heading to Springfield, my old hometown. Super fun park. Of course, I had to check out some trucks on my way out of Fredonia. These awesome artwork style trucks on the side. And then driving back country roads was awesome. Headed home to Springfield. Always love going home. And then, of course, checking out more trucks. Some fire trucks. So, make sure and check us out in Springfield.